Hi, welcome back to another video. This is Chelsea and I'm really excited today because I'm doing a haul from the Angel Shoppe. So I've already opened this, but I haven't looked at it too much, so it's kind of like an unboxing. So I just wanted to show you guys how pretty this box is. And then the inside has the really pretty pink logo variations, and it's so girly. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. So I got a planner and the pen case. I'll show you guys those items at the end. Let's look at the pens and the accessories first. So my order came with this journal card and it's so pretty. I actually have this keychain and I love the back. So I ordered the little shopping bag. It's a vinyl sticker and it's sparkly. Look how cute, I love it. And then we also have the TAS logo. Adorable. And I also got some charms. So this is the picnic daisy and it comes with a little lobster clasp. And then we have the mushroom Mario clip. How cute, I love it. And it matches one of the pens that I got. So let's look at the pens. This one actually came with the pen case. And it's so pretty. Look at those crystals. And then it has the gunmetal hardware with this textured barrel. It's so luxurious. I love this one. I'm so happy to have it in my collection. And then I also got this pen for my mom, and this is a seconds pen, which means it has a flaw, and I think that's gonna be right here, which is not a huge deal. I mean, I don't really mind that. So this is the Give Me Butterflies design. It's got the little pink and hollow butterflies floating around in there. Stunning. And then this pretty pink one is Cherry Cola. I love the glitter. And it's got little cherries in there. And then this one is from the Cozy Cottage collection and it's called Happy Days. It's so cute. I love the white hardware with the gingham pattern, and it has little happy daisies floating around in there. How precious. And that one matches this clip. Obsessed. And then this one matches the Mario mushroom. And this one is called Level Up. But how cute of a pair is that? So it's got little gems in there and they're super sparkly. And then look at the mushrooms. I love it. Okay, so let's look at the planner cover and the pen case. So this is the Luxe Quilted Weeks cover, and it came in this really pretty pouch with the logo. And this is the French Vanilla color. It's a really pretty cream beige tone, which I usually love, like bright colors or pastels. I'm not usually into neutrals, but this just really speaks to me. I think it's super classy and timeless, so it goes with any season depending on how you dress it up. And it's so squishy. Ooh. I love the quilted design. I think it's so pretty. And the hardware is rose gold. You can even see the TAS logo on there. I love the little details like that. And then the back has this pocket And I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is the logo printed on the inside. There's also a back pocket here. So I'm loving all the pockets, and it's really lightweight and soft, but it does have this pebbly texture to it. So you can see the logo here embossed, lots of card pockets, and I love the zipper. You can see the logo on there as well. Love that detail with the little heart. That's so cute. I'm excited to set this up. And it also has a pen loop, which comes with elastic, so it should fit lots of different pen sizes. So I'm gonna be setting this up in another video, so stay tuned for that. And then lastly, we have the pen case. So this is the Dove Luxe pen case. Got the logo embossed on the front, and it's a really pretty taupe gray color. Let me compare it to the French Vanilla cover so you guys can get a better sense of the tone. So it's definitely a cooler shade, but it complements this really well. So it has a chunky zipper. This looks like the gunmetal hardware. I like that this is so thick and sturdy because I know this is gonna get kind of heavy with all the pens. It zips really nicely. So for whatever reason, the black seems to be blowing out to the lighting on my video. I'm really sorry about that. But if I angle it, it's better. Anyway, this has elastic loops in here for storing your TAS pens. And there's also a pocket on this side with even more slots, and then you have a spot here for storing stickers and other things. You could put whatever you want in here. You could maybe even put more pens, but I love that it has the logo here, and this also keeps your pens protected because it gives some padding between both sides. So I want to set this up. Can I do that real fast? I'm sure I have enough pens to fill this. All right, I just filled it up. It's pretty weighted. And it can fit 24 pens. Look how beautiful. This will be great for storing all of our pens at the office. My mom and I have a collection that we're quickly growing, but as you can see, my personal collection is quite large as well. And I have more that I didn't even fit in here. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up this haul video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because I'll be back to do a setup video for my French Vanilla cover. I'm gonna put my Hobonichi weeks in here. And I also have a plan with me coming up, so be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.